How to deposit money into your library account. Tap the Deposit Money into Library Account button on the screen. Scan your library card. If you don't have your card, you can enter the number manually. Deposit coins or bills or both into the coin and bill acceptor. Enter the value that you deposited on the screen and tap Make Deposit. Now tap OK to finish. How to pay for a print with your library account. Tap the Release My Print Jobs button. Scan your library card or enter it manually. Tap the Print button and choose Pay from AAM Deposit Account. Tap OK and tap Done to finish. How to pay for a print with cash. Tap Release My Print Jobs. If using a guest pass, enter the number on your guest pass to retrieve your print job. Deposit money in the coin and bill acceptor. Tap Print and choose Pay from Vending Device. Tap OK and tap Done to finish. How to pay for a photocopy with your library account. Tap Make Copies. Choose Library Card Deposit Account. Scan your library card or enter it manually. Tap Yes. The copier will be unlocked by the computer, at which point you can make your photocopies. The computer will show a running total of all the copies that you have made. When you're finished, tap Done. A summary will be generated of all of the copies that you made. Tap Done to finish. How to pay for a photocopy with cash. Tap Make Copies. Tap Vending Device. The computer and the copier will exchange information. Insert money in the coin and bill acceptor. The copier will then unlock. You can then make a copy. After you've completed making a copy, you'll notice that the Coin Eject button does not function. To receive your change, you have to tap Done on the computer screen. This will finalize your session, return your money, and generate a summary of all the copies that you made. Tap Done to exit.